I would say I was very much interested in violin, and for that reason, I just came across this workshop. So I just thought like maybe I should attend this one. It's a very good one, I would say, and like it's very much engaging. The students are very much, actually, they're very passionate about it. They are doing like a very great job, I would say here.
Like I learned from him also, and the workshop was just really good. A lot of extra things, to be comfortable with music and understand it better. I learned about the vocal exercises that sir was doing, hello, goodbye, that part. I think it will improve my singing and my vocal techniques.
The best part is to bring different instrumental players like violins, piano players, singers, and we have keyboard players and guitar players all together in a mess of music. Because for me, the most fun kind of music is a musical mess, where everything gets combined and it becomes a big mashup of sound.
It was a great experience here. The ambience was also quite good, and we had a lot of fun. Learned many new things which we didn't know. I learned pentatonic scales. Those are basically I can do solos on any song on electric guitar.
I was pretty surprised to see like the Yamaha band was hosting it, so I was pretty hyped up for it.
My favorite part was like the teacher who was here. He was always telling us to like give more and be more open about music, and I think that's the most important takeaway from today's lesson.
More than learning new, I got to know how to correct myself and how to perform in front of people.